Hello guys, this is Tota Leenut Allisima here, and today we are doing a demo. That is really loud. At least I think that's really loud. I don't know if it actually was. Anyway, we are doing a demonstration, whatever, of Windows Poop Edition 4 Beta 5.0. Now you may be wondering what happened to demos of all those versions in between, like Beta 3.0, 3.1, 4.0. Well, the reason we didn't do demos for those is because we kind of forgot these demo videos were supposed to be a thing, and so now we're just making one for like Beta 5.0, skipping like a few versions. That's okay. I guess we forgot these were a thing, but I guess now I'm doing them again. So anyway, this is public beta 5.0, still public beta, of course. Let's go to the start menu, and first let's go to Internet Explorer. This is where all the stuff that was added in 5.0 is, or not all of it, you know what I mean? All of this stuff was added in 5.0. There's a list of websites, and there's YouTube, which existed here before but wasn't listed on the home page for some reason. You just kind of had to guess it existed. And then there's Google and Discord. Let's go to Google first. Okay, so this is Google. We have, you can search for things. Search for thing. Okay, that doesn't work. Oh, I don't know why I just grew there. Just search. Oh, search. Apparently, search just makes it bigger. I have feelings, but that makes it smaller. That's very interesting. Oh, look down here. It looks like you're using a browser that isn't ours. Try Chrome today. Okay, let's see. I don't think it's gonna let us, cause it's not Internet Explorer. But let's see. Oh, look at that. Epic fail. Looks like you tried to install a browser that isn't ours. Oh, what? Look at that. What a surprise. Okay, let's just go back into Internet Explorer, and then let's try out Discord. Okay, so this is what Discord looks like. There's all these channels. This is the Windows Poop Edition server, which, by the way, is the only channel server you can go to. And we have all these people sending messages. These are definitely real people sending real messages. As you can see, these look very legit. And you can also type your own messages. Like, let's type in hello. And now we just said hello. And all these people are still typing their own messages. This is a very interesting conversation these people are having. There's also other channels. This is general. We're going to go to general too. All these other people typing things. Yeah, these are some very interesting conversations. Yeah. Very interesting. Yeah, this conversation is still going in general. Can you hear me? Because it doesn't look like they are acknowledging my existence. Huh. I don't seem to understand what they're saying now that I think about it, so, maybe these people aren't worth trying to communicate with. So, I guess I'll just get out of that. And yeah, that's about all the websites we added support for, I guess. Let's just get out of that and see what else there is. In the File Explorer, we added a brain flip interpreter. If you don't know what that means, it's probably not important to you. But, what matters is that you can make cool programs like all these ones I imported for testing purposes. Let's try numwarp. Let's enter a number, like 69 for 20. And it writes it in this very cool way. It's very nice. Yeah. These are programs written in BrainFlip, which is like a programming language that is really hard to use, or some crap like that. And also there's a calc.pf. This looks like a calculator. Whoa! Hey, can we keep it family friendly there? It's supposed to be called BrainFlip, not BrainFuck. Oh, sorry. Anyway. Yeah, I guess you're gonna have to live with the fact that it's fair. Anyway, this BrainFuck calculator, I think what you have to do is enter something like 20 plus, I don't know, I'm just doing random numbers, 20 plus 34 equals, you also have to put the equal sign at the end, and it prints out 54. which I think is the answer. I don't know it. I don't know though. You can also do things like 7 times 5, I think. Yeah, 35. It's just calculator. I would assume division works. It just rounds it, so not really, but it's fine. Yeah. That's not very interesting, honestly. Because, you probably don't know much about what brain fuck is. I mean, a brain flip. Where, I can call it brain fuck. Nobody cares if I swear, right? Anyway. Games. This is where some of the really cool new stuff is. As you can see, there's 3 new games compared to the last time I did a demo. There's 3D Epicness. This one is really cool because it's 3D. Let's go into it. And it's a 3D environment that we can move around in using WASD. Look around with the mouse, shift and space to move up and down. And here's the really fun part. If you left click, you make a cube, and it just floats around in random directions. Or I guess each cube floats in one random direction, or maybe it doesn't move at all. So left click makes cubes like this, and then right click makes spheres, and they'll just move about. They'll just float around this room. Which, by the way, this game was in Windows Poop Edition 3, but the difference is that, okay, for one, these shapes are bigger now, and the second difference is you may have noticed there's a whole crap ton of branding around here. Everything is branded with Windows Poop Edition logos, because branding is the way to go, or something, whatever. Also, you can go outside this little cube where everything is. Except it's not where everything is, because things just wander out of here. Yeah. So as you can see, this is a very fun game. It's not really new. As I said, it was in Windows Poop Edition 3, but I never demoed it because it was like the final release. And apparently, I didn't do a demo for the final release for some strange reason. I guess we kind of forgot to do that. But anyway, let's get out of this 3D Epicness game, despite how fun it is. By the way, there's a glitch after you exit the 3D game. You have to click twice before things actually start working. For some reason, that's a bug that has been known about for a long time, but we haven't made any effort to fix it for some reason. Anyway, enough about that. Next, we have 2 games that are classic to Windows. They're a classic part of the Windows experience. Those, of course, are Solitaire and Minesweeper. So let's go to Solitaire first. And as you can see, we have all these cards. You can just move them around. Yeah. I'm not sure if this is like fully functioning fully functioning Solitaire. Because there doesn't seem to really be an actual game, but maybe this could provide like a false sense of a game to you or something. I don't know. Anyway, yes. Let's get out of that, and let's try Minesweeper. As you can see, this is a very nice icon. Of course, everything in Windows Poop Edition has icons. Some of them we have to make ourselves. Like this one, it just says explode, because that's what Minesweeper is. Of course, you click it and you explode. That's what Minesweeper is, right? You just explode. Yeah. There's no like explosion animation, anything cool like that. It just says explode as soon as you click anywhere. You can even right click, it does the same thing. You can even click freaking outside the window and it does the same thing. Yeah. That's Minesweeper. I think that's all the games we added. Oh, except there is one game we changed, and that is Minecraft. And the way we changed it was that it actually works now. Kind of, maybe, I don't know. Multiplayer still doesn't work, of course. Let's go to single player, let's create a new world. And ta-da! It's totally legit functioning in Minecraft. Ooh, I didn't. Oh. Okay, yeah, I should have expected it to be like really laggy. I think it's really laggy because like it's always really laggy when I'm like recording. Oh, now it's non-laggy again. Anyway, you can break blocks, and you can see you have an inventory down here. You can select different types of blocks. You can place blocks. So now we can't place it anymore because we don't have any stone. Yeah. And yeah, it's literally what Minecraft is. There's very realistic terrain generation, and apparently you can stick to roofs. You can stick to the top of things like that. Uh, our excuse for that is it's a feature, not a bug. Um, this is just an unintended feature of our platformer physics engine, or whatever it is. Anyway, yeah, it's literally Minecraft. It's like just as fun as the original Minecraft because it literally basically is Minecraft. Like, what more could you want? We literally ported Minecraft to Windows Poop Edition. Like, that took assloads of coding over like many years, even though it's only been like a month. Just kidding. This took like, I don't know, half an hour to make or something. So, it wasn't really that hard. Anyway, yeah, I think that's enough of Minecraft. Let's just, I don't know, die by falling off the edge, and we just respawn. We lose all our inventory things. We can just press escape to exit. And yeah, that was Minecraft. And I think now that's all the games. Let's see, music, videos are the same, shop, control panel. Yeah, I think all those are the same. Let's go into more programs because yeah, we did add a few things. For one, we added back the command prompt that was in Poop Edition 3 and wasn't in Poop Edition 4 for the longest time, except now it is. I don't know why it wasn't in 4.0 yet, but now it is. So, it's all the same. You can type in help to see how to use it. You can type list. You can type open, I don't know, FNAF, and then open, oh yeah, I forgot that one crashes the entire system because it couldn't load the freaking jump scare files. That's very nice. But anyway, we're just going to restart, of course. Because what else would you do? Yeah. Yeah, anyway, you may have noticed there's a new program here. Soundboard. This is a really fun program because what you can do with it is you can just press the number keys to play different system sounds. Like, this is dun dun dun. This is bleep a boop. This is bloop. This is bl bloop. This is whoa. And this is the other whoa. Yeah, so this is really cool. You can just make these sounds whenever you want. You just open up the soundboard and you can just do that over and over again. You can even press all of them at once to get like a beautiful mess of sound effects. Anyway, yeah, that's about all there is for the soundboard. We just made that in like, I don't know, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I don't know. Just because we felt like it. Yeah. I don't know if anything else is different. Over like the past like 2 or 3 beta versions we've made and forgot to demo. Yeah, I think about all of this is the same, really. Yeah, there's a minor change of how we made Lua files have their own icon. Like, yeah, can still like run all these from the file explorer. Can just throw around cards like that if you want. Yeah. So I think what their plan is for the next, for the future is to add more websites. Add support for more websites because, the more websites you support, the better. The more entertainment value or whatever, or something. You can search. If you search Google, you can find Google. Oh yeah, that crashes it because you tried to install Chrome. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention like anywhere. This is just a change I just realized. It's a change to how the file explorer works. It may not be finished because we kind of forgot we were developing this feature. But anyway, so okay, first I'm gonna make a few files that I'm going to delete for demonstration. I'm gonna make it this. We call it poop. yeah, just gonna make an image to fart.png. Okay, now we have those. Let's try deleting them. And before, what you did to delete things was you had to click delete and type in the entire name. But now we changed it so that you can shift click to select files and then delete. You'll confirm you want to delete this, click yes. It deletes all the files you selected. This makes it so that you don't have to, type in whole ass file names to delete them. I don't think this works for any of the other. Yeah, it doesn't work for any of the other options. I think we forgot to make those work for all the other options. So that only applies for deletion. And if you just click delete, you'll still confirm, but then it says you don't have any files selected. So it tells you have to shift click to select files, because I don't know, that might not be that intuitive because most other user interfaces don't work like that. But on Windows Poop Edition it does, because it just does, yeah, you can just select things. It's very cool. Selection, everyone. Selection of files. Very cool. At least I think. I don't know, it keeps making this desktop folder, and I keep having to delete it, but it always comes back when I reboot. We never actually ended up using the desktop folder. I don't think we will. That was originally for making icons show on the desktop, but then we got too lazy to develop that and it just wasn't working, so we never ended up using that. But for some reason it still creates the desktop folder on startup if it doesn't exist. So yeah, there's just kind of a useless folder there. We're not going to fix that. I'm just going to say we're not going to fix that because it's not strictly necessary to fix it, so we won't. And of course, by strictly necessary, our standards for that are a lot lower than what might be expected from quote-unquote decent software engineer companies, some crap like that. I don't know, we don't know how to make software, but we do know how to make this cool 3D game, which is very, very cool. Obviously we didn't write the engine, but how are we supposed to write a 3D engine anyways? So, just be glad this epic, really fun 3D game exists in the first place. It's just really cool. There's a whole lot of really cool things in this version. Like, we're still planning on adding more. We're planning on adding as much as we can possibly fit into this OS to make it as fun, or, not fun, sometimes painful as possible. Because it's Windows Poop Edition, it's obviously supposed to be really painful. Yeah? Yeah, okay. I think it's supposed to be really painful, because that's the whole point. Yeah. I think that's really all. I don't know why I'm still rambling about this. I guess what I have to do now is just shut down and say goodbye and see you next time I do a demo, which I don't know when that will be. Maybe I'll forget to do demos again for and I'll skip 4 beta versions or something. But hopefully I won't. And anyway, I'll put a link in the description for the link to the public beta, in case you want to try it out, because you can right now try this out for yourself. And I recommend you do this because it's really cool, but actually because I want you to suffer, and that's how we thrive as a quote-unquote company, by making people suffer with their software. Somehow, that's what we've decided is how to go about business. But anyway, I'll see you next demo, next time you see me, whatever. Goodbye.